Good morning, students. Due to corona epidemic, we all are instructed to stay at home. By staying at home, we can keep ourselves healthy. Let us continue our studies. Today, I will be teaching about food and nutrition. Food and nutrition. Food is a substance which gives us energy and keeps us healthy. As we know that all living things need food to sustain life. We eat a variety of food which contains different nutrients. They are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and vitamins and minerals. Nutrients. The definition of nutrients, they are the substances present in food which provides us energy to grow, keeps us healthy, disease free and strong. Now, classification of food. Food can be classified into three categories. First is a energy giving food, second is a body building food, third one is a protective food. First is a energy giving food. So I will be explaining in detail about the energy giving food. Carbohydrates and fats. They provide energy to our body for various functions. Even though that fat gives us energy and keeps us warm. And what are the sources from where we can get the carbohydrates? They are rice, wheat, bread, sugar, potato, chapatis. And oil, ghee, butter, they are the rich sources of fats. Now, second one is a bodybuilding food. The proteins help our body to grow, repair the worn out tissues. From where we get this bodybuilding food, that is proteins. We will get the proteins from milk, cheese, pulses, nuts, eggs and fish. Now third one is the protective foods. They are vitamins and minerals. They protect our body from diseases and keeps us healthy. From where we get the protective foods? We get the protective foods from the milk, carrot, green leafy vegetables, orange, lemon, amla, egg, butter, fish, cod liver oil, etc. Next one is vitamins. Now vitamins, they can be categorized into the 6 categories. They are the vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. Now vitamin A. What are the sources from where we get the vitamin A? That's spinach, carrot, milk, mango. And what is the function of the vitamin A? What it does? That function of vitamin A is, it is for the good that eyesight and for healthy skin. We require vitamin A. Now comes vitamin B. That vitamin B we get from soybean, milk, green leafy vegetables. And what are the function of vitamin B? Now vitamin B, it is the function of vitamin B is then proper functioning of nervous system and for the healthy skin. Now third comes vitamin C. From where we get the vitamin C? We get the vitamin C from orange, lemon, amla, tomato, green leafy vegetables. And what is that function of vitamin C? What the role vitamin C plays in our body? To keeps the gum healthy and healing of wounds. Now vitamin D. Now what are the sources from where we get the vitamin D? We get the vitamin D from milk, eggs, butter, fish, sunlight, cod liver oil, etc. Now what is the function of vitamin D? What it does? The function of vitamin D for our healthy bones and teeth. Now vitamin E. What are the sources from where we get the vitamin E? We get the vitamin E from cooking oil and seeds and nuts. And function of vitamin E, that it act as a antioxidant and protect our cells. And last one is a vitamin K. Vitamin K. What are the sources from where we get the vitamin K? We get the vitamin K from green leafy vegetables, fish, liver, etc. The function of vitamin K It helps us in blood clotting and prevents then from the excess of bleeding in our bodies. Now today just again just I will repeat the topic whatever we have taught today. We have just taught about the food, then what are the nutrients and classification of the foods and what are the vitamins. Tomorrow I will be teaching you about the minerals and roughage and the role of the water in our bodies. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.